Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best blender for nut butter is Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. With intuitive controls, exhilarating power, and durability, the Explorian Series E310 will forever change the way you prepare meals. It's never been easier to become a Vitamix owner and create healthy, whole food recipes at home. The Explorian has a lower MSRP and is ideal for a single person or those with a small kitchen. Ideal if you live in an apartment or have a small kitchen and don't have enough space for a Vitamix. Despite the shorter warranty, the Explorian is a great offering from Vitamix that was recently released to make their top blenders more accessible to the general public. This container is the perfect size for creating small family meals, and fits easily under most kitchen cabinets. You're in control to adjust the speed during the blend to achieve a variety of textures, or use the pulse feature to create quick bursts of power. Just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap at your machine's highest speed, and watch it self-clean in 60 seconds, no disassembly required. Control exactly what your baby eats. Prep, blend, and make batches of nutritious homemade baby food in seconds in your Vitamix machine. Number 2 in our side is Ninja AMZ493BRN Compact Blender. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System takes the concept of a multi-purpose nut butter blender to a whole new level. It includes 4 different blade assemblies, a 5-cup precision processor bowl, and 18 Oz. Single-serve cup, and a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with a liquid capacity of 64 ounces. You'll need a lot of power if you want to make creamy butter. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System includes a 1,200-watt motor and ball bearing drive assembly to ensure years of trouble-free operation. Take the guesswork out of your kitchen. Make perfect smoothies, resort-style frozen drinks, or evenly mixed batters and dough, all at the touch of a button. Use the 72 ounces total crushing pitcher to make large batches of smoothies, frozen drinks, frappes, and so much more. Make enough for the whole family. Third in our best blender for nut butter list is Ninja SS101 Foodie Single Serve Blender. The Ninja Foodie Personal Blender is an excellent work tool. It includes 14 Oz and 24 Oz containers for processing single blends, including your favorite nut butter flavor. The containers, like the countertop machine above, have razor-sharp blades that can handle nuts even without oil. To help with the processing, the Personal Blender has a powerful 1200-watt motor. With the Ninja Foodie Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor, you can blend and power through the thickest ingredients without stalling. Make spoon-thick smoothie bowls in the Smoothie Bowl Maker or smooth drinks in the Nutrient Extraction. Designed for heavy food loads, 1200 peak watt power dense motor maintains the high speed required to deliver uninterrupted power and performance. No stalling, no stirring, no shaking. Built-in tamper pushes ingredients toward the blades for perfect spoon-thick smoothie bowls to creamy nut butters. Blend in the cup for better ingredient breakdown when making your favorite smoothies, extractions, and frozen drinks. Includes 2 Ninja Nutrient Extraction cups and spout lids. Create homemade peanut, almond, or cashew butter and even add your favorite flavorings. You can choose the texture from creamy to crunchy. Our fourth pick is Ninja BN701 Blender. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ features a new modern design and a more powerful motor than Ninja's original professional blender. The blender has 3 blending speeds as well as a dedicated pulsing button for precise control over your ingredients. It also has pre-programmed functions for blending smoothies, crushing ice, and making frozen desserts. Ninja Total Crushing Blades give you perfectly crushed ice for your smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream. Total Crushing Pitcher is great for making large batches for the whole family with 1400 peak watts of professional power. Auto IQ technology provides preset programs that do the work for you, no guesswork required. With a 72 ounces pitcher you can make drinks, smoothies, and more for the whole family. 6-blade assembly allows you to crush ice faster and blend ingredients smoother than other blenders. The dishwasher-safe blender blades and pitcher make cleanup a breeze. Last in this list is Vitamix Pro 750 Countertop Blender. For good reason, the Pro 750 is one of the best. If you want to make nut butters at home, the blender has a true high-power motor that will pulverize even the toughest nuts. The motor also has a soft start and a variable speed setting to give you more control over the texture of your butter. Perfect for family meals or entertaining. The Professional Series 750 lets you feed a crowd easily, with a 64-ounce container that fits under most kitchen cabinets. 5 program settings automatically handle smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, purees, and self-cleaning, so you can spend more time with the ones you love. Its low-profile container was designed to fit easily under most overhead cabinets, so you can keep your Vitamix on the counter and ready to go. Adjust the speed during the blend to achieve a variety of textures, or use the pulse feature to create quick bursts of power. Just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap at your machine's highest speed, and watch it self-clean in 60 seconds, no disassembly required. Make smoothies with the press of a button. Our program settings offer walk-away convenience and consistent results for your favorite blends. Control exactly what your baby eats. Prep, blend, and make batches of nutritious homemade baby food in seconds in your Vitamix machine. For details, let's watch more.
Our Vitamix Pro 750. Now the Pro 750 comes with a 64-ounce container, a manual speed dial that gives you complete control over your blends, and a pulse function that enables you to chop ingredients quickly and easily. It also comes with 5 pre-programmed settings. We have smoothie, frozen dessert, hot soup, dips and spreads, and the cleaning cycle. It will make you the smoothest smoothies in 60 seconds. You can make a frozen dessert in under a minute, but you can also turn cold water, raw vegetables into a hot soup in around 5 minutes. Let me show you how. We're going to select the hot soup program, and all we need to do is press start. The Pro 750 has switched itself off, which means we now have steaming hot soup. And you can see how thick and creamy this is. We haven't used any dairy, that's just the healthy oils that the Vitamix have released from those cashew nuts. What's even more wonderful about the Vitamix machine is that the Pro 750 can actually clean itself. You just need 2 cups of soapy water. We're going to set the pre-programmed setting to the cleaning cycle, and we're just going to press start. Okay, the Pro 750 has stopped running, so now we just need to pour away these soapy suds down the sink, give this a little rinse through with the tap, and you can see that container is clean and ready to use again. With the pre-programmed settings, that gives you walk-away convenience with your Vitamix, and it also ensures you get the same consistent, amazing blends time after time, year after year. So whether it's smoothies, hot soups, or frozen desserts, Vitamix can do it all.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this purchase educational video, then don't forget to subscribe us. I like to confirm you again that I'm not a financial advisor and this channel don't provide you any financial advice. We just try to suggest best items on your budget to make your shopping easier. We are not related on any product buy, sell and production. So, before buy any product, please do your own analysis. If you face any issue on product, then this channel is not responsible for that. Thanks and happy shopping.